everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is it. We are on our final phase of building excellent business credit. I am so glad you made it here. So if you're wondering like, oh, this is the fourth phase, where's phases 1 through 3? You need to go back to my last videos. Those links are in the description section. You need to have completed those steps in order to complete this phase. Please leave how your credit is looking because, and I want to make sure that you know you're doing all the steps and I'm gonna hold you accountable. Find me on Instagram and I answer all my inbox messages as long as it makes sense, you guys. Don't be leaving me no crazy stuff, okay? As long as it makes sense, I will answer you, okay? So I am so excited. In our fourth phase, we're gonna talk about bank loans. Yes, we made it. When we start applying for the bank, that tells everyone we are serious, we are making money in our business, and we have excellent credit. We have built a business credit profile that no one can question because we've been paying above the due date. We've been actually using our credit and none of our credit has been laying dormant. Let's talk about that UCC 1 filing. We're filing that is paid off. That's what we're reporting. We are sending in a UCC 1 filing. This is an amendment saying Company A has satisfied the debt, is paid in full. You want to make sure that you're mailing this to all the business credit reporting agencies. We want to make sure that the debt is showing in the legal section and is paid in full. So that's the first thing I want you to do. Put that in the mail and file it, okay? Let's talk about business loans. Typically, if you need a business loan, you need to have a business plan. If you're wondering how to set up a business plan or how to write up a business plan, you could check out this video. It might be on this side. This video, and it goes through what you need to include in your business plan. Just say we don't need a business plan. We want to start at our local bank. Some banks might require it, some banks probably not. Start at your local bank. Now, when you apply for the loan, you want to let them know this is specifically to build your business credit. They would know that you're not trying to buy anything with it. You just want to build your business credit. They might say, hey, we would like for you to put a security deposit down. That's okay. That is perfectly okay. But you know that bank is going to report on your business credit profile. They might give you a small loan of $5,000. You want to spend that loan. You want to use it, but you want to pay it off within a 3-month period. Say, for instance, they gave you $5,000 on a 12-month term. Don't pay it off in 12 months. Pay it off in 3 months. And you want to do this 3 times. We talked about going to your local bank. Let's talk about some other banks that you could go to and find online that you could apply for and they will extend a line of credit. Prosper have higher interest rate, but they report on your business credit. Typically, they have loans from $1,000 to $15,000. Like I mentioned before, they will give you a 12-month time period or 12 to 18-month time period to pay the loan off, but you want to make sure you pay that loan off in 3 months because the purpose of this is we are going to build our business credit profile in the loan section, okay? You want to do that 2 to 3 times, 2 to 3 iterations of getting a loan, paying it off in 3 months, getting another loan and paying it off in 3 months, then getting another loan and paying off 3 months. So Prosper, you need a 640 credit score. If you do not know your credit score, you could actually pull it for free. But if you know you don't have a 640 score, check out this last video, how you could boost your credit score and things that you could do. Now, if you're wondering how to monitor your score and what to pay, what debt, and when to pay it, check out this other link. It's in the description section. It's called ScoreMaster. ScoreMaster, it monitors your credit. It tells you when to pay off debt, and it tells you exactly what score you can achieve by paying off a debt. Another loan is called Canva.org. Canva specializes in business funding. Like I mentioned prior, you want to make sure that you get the loan and paying off within 3 months of the loan term. There's other banks that you could go to: Key Bank, HSBC Bank, and Citibank. These are all lenders that report on your actual credit report, your business credit report. And finally, the SBA loan. SBA loan, you do need a business plan for that, especially if you are a new business. Established businesses, all you need is your last 2 tax year statements, and you're able to receive a loan from SBA. Now, one downfall from the SBA, they do require, so say for instance, you want a $40,000 loan, or you needed a $40,000 loan. They do require a pro forma. They would like to see what are you going to use the funds for if you're purchasing a business, trying to expand. So that has to be spelled out for them. And it's good. It's good that they require that, because you need to know, okay, if I get this money, what am I going to do with it? So they want a well mapped out plan before they give you the money. Also, they require for you to put 10% down of whatever you're asking. So if you ask for $40,000, they're going to say, oh, you need to put $4,000 down, or they just give you a loan for $36,000. SBA is one of those lenders. It is the government that it takes a longer time to get the loan, but they have favorable rates, and they're also favorable for new businesses, okay? Another thing with the SBA, if your business is making income, that's a good thing. But say, for instance, you're a new business and you don't have enough income. The SBA is going to ask for you to have a job. You need some form of income, because they're not going to invest in your business if you don't have the means to pay the loan off. So that's another thing. So if you don't have a cash flow in your business and you can't prove that, you're going to have a hard time getting an SBA loan. Month down the line, 6 to 7 months down the line, I want to see, and I'm going to revisit this, I want to see you guys getting those $100,000 credit lines, $250,000 credit lines. Please leave your comments, questions. If you guys need more help in building your business, subscribe to my channel. I am on the road to get 25,000 subscribers. So subscribe. Please like and share this video. I am sending all my good to you, and I will talk to you soon.